Biotech failures. Nobody puts in a press release. Let me tell you about a failure nobody announces. A team spends 5 years on a drug. The biology works. The data is clean. The paper gets published. Everyone is excited. Then, nothing. It never reaches a patient. Not because the science was wrong, but because the right regulatory questions weren't asked early. 2 worlds in science. Scientists are trained to ask, is this novel? Is the mechanism elegant? Will it get published? Those questions work for academia. But to reach patients, you need to ask, can regulators approve it? Can it be manufactured at scale? Is it safe and does it fit an existing regulatory pathway? Academia rewards discovering truth. Regulation is about controlling risk. Confusing the 2 kills programs. Real market examples. 1 Regenxbio, 2026. Gene therapy rejected because trial endpoints didn't convince the FDA, not because it was unsafe. 2 Moderna, 2026. Flu vaccine application, not reviewed. Trial design didn't match regulatory expectations. Son, Unicycive 2025. Drug rejected because manufacturing partner failed compliance. Science was solid. 4 Replimune, 2025. Melanoma, therapy rejected. Trial data didn't prove real benefit, despite strong science. 5 Sarepta Therapeutics, 2025. Gene therapy approved under accelerated pathway. Safety issues, forced trial, pauses, and investor panic. These examples show the gap between science and approval. Excellent biology alone isn't enough. The problem? Most programs fail not because science is wrong, but because regulatory thinking comes too late. Years of experiments, endpoints chosen for novelty, lab-scale manufacturing, and safety studies optimized for publication. Then someone asks, can this get approved? Often, the answer is no. The early choices block approval. The fix: bring regulatory thinking in from day one. Build teams that speak both languages, mechanism and manufacturing, endpoints and regulatory. Ask early, what problem does this solve, and can it get approved? Score all 4 dimensions together: biology, endpoint, CMC, regulatory. This is not bureaucracy. It's building the bridge from lab to patient. Takeaway: the key question is not, does it work? It's, does it work? And can it get approved safely, reproducibly, at scale? Scientists, ask regulatory questions early. Investors, add regulatory diligence. Builders, treat translational infrastructure as critical. The gap is structural. The fix is structural. Start on day 1.